Today I have a CHRISTIANBOOK.com homeschool unboxing and a gift card giveaway. So, some of you may know that CHRISTIANBOOK.com has all sorts of goodies such as apparel, music, toys, and Bibles. But did you know they have a thriving homeschool page on their site? If you'd like to see what's in my box, as well as have a chance to enter the giveaway, stay tuned. I'll explain how to enter the giveaway at the end, so be sure to watch this short video in full so you can get all of the rules. Well, hello. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is CJ, and I homeschool my 7th grader, my 8th grader, and my 10th grader. Now, before I do the unboxing, let's take a closer look at this homeschooling tab up here, which has a gateway of all sorts of homeschooling resources just for you. So I have my 8th grader who's gonna hand me the items from the box. All right, so we have Danica. Do we say Danica? Danica's Totally Terrible Loss. I bought this for the girls to read. Danica McAllister has everything a 12-year-old girl could want, including a seat at the popular girls' table at lunch. So this should be a great read. I read a lot of great reviews on this. So that's for the girls.
A free magazine.
And yes, a CHRISTIANBOOK.com catalog, their fall catalog. So that's cool. We'll take a look at that later on. Ooh, Critical Thinking Detective Book 1. All right, these books are known in the homeschooling community, and this is the first time that I'm actually using this one. So if you've used this, please let me know in the comments below. I'm excited for all of my kids to participate in using this. The pages are perforated, so that will be good for me to make some copies and put in their morning binders. Okay, The Fallacy Detective. A lot of you may know about this book as well, and we will be doing this as a read aloud, okay? And it's 38 lessons on how to recognize bad reasoning. A fallacy is an error in logic, a place where someone has made a mistake in his thinking. All right, so this is for ages 12 through adult. Mind benders.
This is something you do in math a lot of times as well, but like they get really complicated. That'll be fun. I like those.
All right, so this will be a brain buster, brain teaser, and build all sorts of critical thinking skills for all 3 of the kids. These pages are perforated also. Okay, what do we have next?
Financial literacy.
All right, financial literacy. Excited about this one. Mr. Pipes and Psalms and Hymns of the Reformation. This will go along with our hymn study. This one is for Sage. The Great Lemonade Stand Standoff. I heard that this is a pretty funny way to talk about money and finances, and so I think she'll enjoy this one.
It's not a book.
This is not a book, but these are 101 favorite Bible verses for teens. And I plan to kind of just like, pass these out here and there. put them on the mirror. Where else shall we put these? In my hair? Whoa. All right. This one, highly recommended. And so I figured I'd give it a try. This is going in the morning basket as well, but let me open it up so you can see what's inside. This is by Fat Brain Toy Company, and it is just a way for you to stretch your strategy skills and your critical thinking skills. And I know that we will all enjoy this. I plan to use critical thinking items and brain teasers and strategy skill items like this early in the morning, just to kind of get their brains going and to do something different from bookwork. And I read about this, and I think this is going to be absolutely fantastic. Let me share with you how to enter the $100 gift card giveaway from CHRISTIANBOOK.com. First, like and fully watch this video. Next, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. Next, subscribe to Christian Book's channel on YouTube. Next, take a look at their website and leave a comment below telling me what you'd buy from CHRISTIANBOOK.com if you were to win the $100 gift card. I will release a short video this Friday, September 22nd, 2023, announcing the winner. Please note that the gift card will come directly from CHRISTIANBOOK.com. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. A very special thank you to CHRISTIANBOOK.com for providing the gift card for this giveaway.